A check engine light came on, so I started diagnosing the issue. I connected a scan tool which displayed the code P0720 output speed sensor circuit. To better understand the problem, I performed a road test while monitoring the live data on the scan tool. During the test, I noticed that the transmission output shaft speed sensor parameter was erratic, suggesting a potential issue with the sensor or its circuit. To investigate further, I inspected the wiring harness and connector for the transmission output shaft speed sensor. I checked for any visible damage, loose connections, or signs of corrosion, but everything appeared normal. With the ignition on and the engine off, I used a multimeter to check for voltage and ground at the sensor connector. Both were present, confirming the circuit was supplying power and ground as expected. Next, I backprobed the output shaft speed sensor to directly test its signal. Using a lab scope, I monitored the sensor signal during another road test. The signal from the sensor was erratic, confirming that the output shaft speed sensor itself was faulty and needed to be replaced. After diagnosing the issue, I replaced the transmission output shaft speed sensor with a new one. Once the new sensor was installed, I cleared the fault codes and performed another road test to ensure the repair was successful. The vehicle operated properly, the transmission output shaft speed readings were stable, and the check engine light stayed off. No fault codes returned. This repair highlights the importance of methodical diagnostics when dealing with transmission-related issues. The output shaft speed sensor is crucial for providing accurate speed data to the transmission control module, which ensures smooth shifting and proper performance. A faulty sensor can lead to erratic shifting, poor drivability, and potential damage to the transmission. By systematically testing the circuit, sensor, and signal, I was able to pinpoint the issue and resolve it efficiently, ensuring the vehicle was back in optimal condition.